Alright, the Mad Programmers is back with a coffee, a new pair of earphone, and the keyboard. This time we have built a new application, but in just 72, 73 hours, yeah. And the application we have built is this one. We're gonna go to the programmer guys, click on that, and this is the application we built in 73 hours, and after that we just keep iterating it again and again and again. So what does this application does? This is for the players who love to play Clash of Clans and they want to get new base designs, stuff like that, new news, not just on Clash of Clans, but any other game such as GTA 6 or whatever. And here is the hub home screen where they can put the code to get the coins. But what does the coins are useful for? You go in the drop section and here you will see a few of those things such as Legendary Vault, Epic Vault, and then we have got Rare one and the Common one. So those are the four tiers we have got where the programmer guy and the programmer barbarian, who are those, let me check those, yep, those are the guys and they have started a new, not very old, look at that, 211 subscribers, so they are really not doing that hype up right now, but they just became a creator. So they just told me to give away some stuff, but they don't know a way to do that. So they just told me to create an application, and we did for them in just like what, 3 days, and that's 73 hours. Okay, and we keep iterating it. So the first version is not like that, but this is after iterating, and now today is 20th April, and we have done a lot of stuff. And we started building it on 12th of April, and today is 20th. And in the first 3 days, we launched it. For you launching the thing, here if you go, and once I make this published, because this is currently in the closed testing phase and the early access has been given to the players, but not to everyone. So if you look at it, it's updated on 20 April. So and today is the 20 April. We are doing it every day. We are iterating and updating this every goddamn day so that they have a great experience, the users and the developers, and of course the programmer barbarians. So here are those things. You just have to go here, look at that, you will see a claim entry button which already is done for the tier rare, and the tier common is already announced for the result. When you tap on that, you will reach in the hall of fame where we have got a player who got the Shibi Archer. And when you click on that, you will see the decoration, and the rare, epic, and the legendary are still yet to be disclosed. So we go back, and you can just explore this application by joining into the closed testing. And how will you do that? Let me just tell you. We have to go to here, and then it's testing, and in testing, and in closed testing, and there we go, manage track. And in the testers, you will here see that we have got two groups, those two groups, and this group link, the programmer guys at googlegroups.com, is already in their Instagram account. So just go for the programmer guys Instagram, you will find that in their bio, or just check out the programmer barbarians channel, look at that. So this one, this last 20 hours ago one, they have told everything about how to join the giveaways, so you can just check that out. However, how did we develop this insane application in just 73 hours? Because if you look at that, this is a goddamn not really bad in 73 hours developing this kind of application. If you click here, you will get the pop-up that how can you get the bonus coins, and we developed this because when you click on that, you will just directly go onto the YouTube when you claim the code, and here you are on the YouTube already. So that's how they increase their engagement through those videos by putting in their application, and in those videos they have put the code, which code when you put here you will get coins, and the coins will help you in joining the giveaways and getting the stuff such as football scenery, the 10 Clash Royale scenery, epic jungle, and much more to get. So this is what you can get, and there below that we have put a method to get more of the coins. How do you do that? Click on decrypt. You have a few puzzles to solve. This is the first level. What you gotta do here? You just gotta know the instruction. Play it yourself and understand it, and you will know what to do. That's how you complete this. Then we have the second game, which is this is not the game. This is of course a spin. This spin is for the players who just want to chill and enjoy and stuff like that. So it's just a for challenge spin. And the second one is the loot, which is for the luck based. And we have currently 0% luck because I just created the test account. Here we have got 3 spins. When you click on the spin thing, and it will spin, we have got nothing. Awesome. Now we're gonna go for that because I have 0% luck. That's why it's happening. Once you get more, you're gonna have more. We have still a great number to get, maybe not. Alright, that's it. We are out of spins. Let's go back. And now if you look at that, the try again thing. The try again means you can try again, but we are out of spins. Why? We should not let that happen. So these are the real little bugs which we have to solve. And after solving that, those all something went wrong and stuff like that should never appear. Look, like it's working again. Pretty normal. So we created it in 73 hours and that's why it's happening like that. We had to launch it somehow anyhow so that the players can just sign up for the giveaways already. And that's how we created the whole thing. If you look at here, this is our splash screen. What you just saw on the screen, this was our splash screen. I just close this and when you go into the drop section, you can go to the drop section from the hub page too. Let's go back. Then we have few more games such as Signal Breach. You just have to, oh my god, pretty good. Just like that, hit the middle circle and then we go disconnect. We have got the hack. This is pretty easy and this is pretty addicting too. So there we go. We just have to collect coins and as much as we do, we can just, through these gains, we can just participate in the drops and giveaway. So let's go back, disconnect and cascade. This is one more game. So you can just read it that the plus shape does the plus, X does the X, and the row and the column. And here below we have got clan chat tools. What is that? Chat colorizer. So you can, if you don't know about that, you can just put colorful chats in your clan for real. And this is the chat forger, which is we are working on currently. So we are gonna just remove that, and this is just for the testing purpose. And once it gets developed, we are gonna put it live. Then below we have put the clan banner where the players who are using this application can join their clan, and they do. Here if you see we have got trend intel. These are just the news which you see in intel, but here it's just the short forms and you can just tap on that and you will reach here directly. Look at that. RDR2, which is Red Dead Redemption 2 Spiderweb Mystery. So those are real news which are being fetched from the real official places. And then below we have put a daily quest tab and you have to complete to get more streaks, and streaks help you to get the things more better and more amazingly. If you see that we have got 10% luck boost if you complete the 9-day consecutive streak. Here we have got bases which we can put anytime or remove anytime. We can just name them anytime or something like that. We have got different filters and stuff like that. We have got the Intel tab which I already show you. It is a pretty great tab to have news and stuff like that. I already show you the drops screen and now we are on the profile. You can change your logo or your character from this place. You can change your name. Let's save the change and you can change your name too. Once going up, you will see your name still forever there. And here we go. We have got this, the thing. When I'm tapping this, banner opens from the bottom. This sheet opens from the bottom was not implemented before. When we launched we were iterating the app again and again, so we got it. We have got community buttons, their socials. The Atraxia application, which is developed by us, we have already, inherited our thing because we have tied up with the programmer barbarians and the programmer guys. Then you can just log in from here and stuff like that. So that's it. We developed this whole application we developed in 73 hours with just a bit of less stuff because this one is the updated one. All right, and this was developed from since 12th of April and today is 20th of April, and we did this whole thing you see right now. This whole everything is goddamn done, and you just have seen the surface. You haven't gone deep. Once you download this application, you will be seeing that how much things we have done, literally a hell lot of things. Because this is the logged in profile. When you're not logged in, something else is showing to appearing and you have to do stuff like that. Here the verified Vanguard, when you're not logged in, it's not verified, something like that. So the mad programmers did those. We have created this application, and why I'm showing you this, because the application's logo, here if we go, the application's logo look like this. So this is the logo, and when you click on that, then this is the splash screen. Wait a minute, let me go back, and now here, see that. This was the splash screen. We go back, we developed the app in 73 hours, and this was the splash screen, which is really premium. If you look at that, it's a simple, but it certainly is premium, not bad. I'm gonna click that again, and that was pretty premium. It doesn't say for long because splash screen are for the user interaction purpose, that they are not getting bored because the app is loading in the background. So that's what the splash screen is used for. Now, how do we really do that? First of all, to get the app done in 73 hours, you just need a few things. First of all, of that is having your own brain. That's it. Your own brain, because don't copy the ideas, have some of your originality, and then you can frame it and do it increase and frame and spread their idea with the help of other people or GPT or AI or something like that. So first of all, have your own brain. Then idea. Have a vague idea, all right? Have a vague idea. Even you don't know what you're gonna build, so just have a vague, blind idea, such as I want a bottle. That's a vague idea, just a vague idea. Then you go a bit ahead. You know you want a bottle of water. Cool. Not just it's not a bottle, it's a bottle of water. Again, you're gonna make it vivid. You have to make it vivid so that you know what you're gonna develop. So, I want a white bottle of black water. I want a white bottle of black water. That's the thing. That's make it more vivid. And more the vivid idea you have, the more better you will be able to translate it into human goddamn vocab. Because if you are using AI, which everyone does now, so you have to know how to frame your idea properly so that GPT or any other AI or Gemini understands it pretty betterly. And now you know those models works on the human language, so you should just know goddamn human vocabulary. But the thing is, today's generation doesn't even understand their own language, their own self inner self, so they can't translate properly. And they don't do that, so they think, oh my god, AI cannot build the goddamn app. But literally, trust me, I have built this in 273 hours, even though I just know a few of Flutter. I have built this in Flutter dots, and just I really know the surface level of the dot. Maybe you don't even know that, but still, AI can help you a lot. You cannot certainly make this even if you're master in the Flutter in 73 hours. It's impossible to design this without AI in 73 hours, even if you are the master, the top master, or the creator of Flutter. You cannot do that without the help of AI. So, of course, I have taken the help of AI, but you have to know how to translate your idea into human vocab so that you don't mess it up and the AI won't mess it up too, because you are the one who are controlling the AI, not the AI. All right. So tell them to make that kind of stuff. Then we go to annoy the AIs. Of course, once you translate the thing into human vocabulary, you understand what to do, and then you translate it in human vocabulary in the words, and then just annoy the AIs. Disturb them again and again. Just make them suffer, make them annoy, and they have to build your application. Then build the app or the game actually. Yeah, the app, because the thing is, I have named this as a game. If you look at there, where, oh, how do we tell you about this game? Look at that, about this game. Here, if you see about this game, then this means it's a game. If you see about this app, then it means it's an app. If we go to the TheMadBrogrammers, I have created an application too. I click on that, and if you look here, yep, look at that, about this app. And that one was about this game. So, this is not a pretty that goddamn level of game, but it certainly is kind of an app because the game is also there. If you look at there, we have got hack. Again, I'm kind of addicted to this one already. Let's just, go back. Oh my goodness. Disconnect. Pretty good. Oh, wait. If you want to collect the coins, I will just tell you one thing. Just tap on this cash out. That's it. You have got 11 coins already. That's how we built the app in 73 goddamn hours, and pretty premium app for our client, the mad programmer. I mean, the programmer guys actually. Yeah, we are the same team. And just build the app, annoy the AI, and then just keep it rating. We have built the programmer guys, then just keep it rating with grit. If you don't have the interest in the project, because we had the interest in developing this app, we did iterate it again and again, and still it's been 7 days, a week, a whole week, we are working on the same goddamn application, nothing else. And that's why you gotta have the grit, perseverance plus passion. That's what you gotta have to work on a project on any app. If you don't want to work on this app, just go for something another, but work on that and keep iterating it again and again, even if you have done it pretty good job, which we have done. If you think that 73 hours for this is pretty goddamn dang, man, it's pretty goddamn awesome. If you go in the builder base, you will see the builder base too. We are gonna add more, but it's just goddamn a week. The application is not even launched yet. It's just in closed early access phase, all right? So that's the thing. Let me just go back again. We have put music too. If you go into the Intel tab or the layouts tab, you'll hear a fine, soothing tune, which we have put, of course, and you can just turn it off in the profile section. through this, where we go, app sounds and haptics. That's it. And if you look at there, look at the updates. It's version 1.2.8, and we started with 1.0.0, 1.0.0, and we have iterated it 28 times already in a week. So it was like 4 times per day. That's how much we iterated this application, and that's how we reached till this level. I really am in love with this section because I have done a great job with AI, of course. But we have certainly done a great job, and you should know how to do that. So you should know how to frame your, first of all, have your own idea, a vague one, then you make it vivid. Because, I want a white bottle of black bar. That's it. Then translate it into your human vocab so that you can annoy the AIs and make them build the application, and then we have built it. And just keep on iterating. Now we have once developed the application. I just keep iterating on again and again and adding new more features and things like that. So what you have to do, keep in mind, you should know what to code, because AI knows how to code. Alright, well, oh my god, that's a deep damn talk. Let me give some respect. You're sure, mate, thank you. But keep this in mind, bro, this is certainly true. That you should know what to code so that you can tell AI everything, because AI knows how to code. You know, AI does know. So you should know what to code. Keep this in mind, bro. Keep this goddamn thing in mind. What to code. What to code. And for that, you have to have your own idea and then being able to frame that properly. That's how we build an application in just 73 hours, which looks certainly premium if you wanna just look at the splash screen once more, because I am in love with that. This is whole built from scratch, bro, literally from scratch. If you want to see the code, I can show you a bit of those. Here is the main dot, because the main dot handles everything, and here we have the main navigation screen. If I go below, you will see that we have got this is the main section, bottom navigation bar. If I just let's just copy it so I can make you understand what it really is. It's a simple thing, and I'm just gonna paste it here on the side. Cool. So what is this? Oh my god, that's pretty big. Here, if you look at that bottom navigation bar item, so this is the whole thing, that is the bottom navigation bar. And those are the single items, which you see. If that we have the label hub, the layouts, the intel, the drops, and the profile. And if you visit our application, you will see this hub, the layouts, the intel, the drops, the profile. So that's where it's coming from. And you can put the Flutter icons and something like that. If you want to know more about Flutter, I'm going to make things how to create an application from scratch and pretty fast, like just I did in 73 hours, and just this whole goddamn application. If you see in this loading thing, level 1, it even animates. Look at the bar that's floating from left to right, and this looks pretty cool. You have to keep details, you have to keep track the minor details so that user are really happy in using that. We have put a lot of features, and you are just seeing the front end. Actually, the thing is much more bigger than that, and we will show you in the next one about just the programmer guys application. But I want to just show you that I have developed an app in 73 hours, and you can too. You just need to have your goddamn brain and your idea. That's it, and use it. Not just having idea, but use it too. That's how you know what to do, and you should know what to code through your brain, so that AI can code because he knows, or she knows, or they know how to code. Alright, so that was about the mad programmers for today. Let me drink my coffee because it's already getting cold. And we're gonna see you later. Alright, see you later, the mad programmers.